Welcome to our channel. If you need to change a flat tire on the roadside, follow these step-by-step instructions to safely replace your flat with the spare tire. Step 1. Pull over to a safe, flat location away from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights and engage the parking brake to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Step 2. Retrieve your spare tire jack and lug wrench from your vehicle's trunk or storage compartment. Ensure all tools are in good condition before starting. Step 3. Loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire while the wheel is still on the ground. Turn them counterclockwise about one full turn, but do not remove them completely yet. Step 4. Place the jack under the vehicle's frame near the flat tire. Consult your owner's manual for the proper jacking point to avoid damage. Step 5. Raise the vehicle with the jack until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Ensure the jack is stable and the vehicle is secure before proceeding. Step 6. Remove the lug nuts completely and pull the flat tire straight toward you to remove it from the wheel hub. Place it flat on the ground nearby. Step 7. Mount the spare tire onto the wheel hub by aligning the holes with the bolts. Push the tire onto the hub until it sits flush. Step 8. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, then lower the vehicle and fully tighten the nuts with the wrench. Drive to a repair shop soon to fix or replace the flat tire. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.